What is that?
Kind.
A kind bar? What kind?
That's
That one's peanut butter.
spicy.
That's sea salt. Sea salt. Is that funny to say?
No.
Sea salt. Sea salt. Do you have Larabars too? What kinds do you have? Apple. That's sea salt. Yeah. Do you have blueberry?
No.
You have a blueberry one. Which one's blueberry?
No.
Yeah, that one's blueberry.
No.
What's that?
Oh,
Cashews. Yeah. That's a peanut butter kind bar. What's that? Cherry. That's pickles. Pretend pickles.
I've been telling her those are squashies.
Oh, squashies? Yeah, they do look like squashies. Yeah.
Oh, spicy?
Squashies, yeah.
It's hot.
Apple. What's this? What's that?
So nice.
A kind bar? What kind is it?
It's yummy.
It has nuts in it.
So?
Is it peanut butter?
No.
No, what is it? Is it cashew?
No.
No, what is it?
What do you need?
Sea salt.